And welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe. It's a dessert with apples. They look like roses. They're super easy to make, delicious, and very fast recipe. Hope you enjoy this video and subscribe to my channel. First of all, let's prepare the apples. I'll slice them in half and then take out the seeds and slice them very finely. I only needed 5 apples. Then add 200 milliliters of water and 2 tablespoons of sugar in a pan. And now let's boil the apples. When it's boiling, let it sit for about 5 minutes. Then, when they are soft, let's take them out. Don't overboil the apples. And do that with all the slices. Now let's add some butter into the forms and add some store-bought puff paper or puff pastry. It weighs 250 grams. Now let's cut them into squares. But first I'm doing some slices. 4 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of canola. Let's mix it all together and let's take the rectangle and add the sugar mix. After, let's add the apples one by one, connecting each other. Let's double it and add more apples. And now you can roll it all together. And now don't forget to close them. And let's do that with all the ingredients. Let's send into the oven at 180 degrees for about 40 minutes. And now when they're all done, let's plate them and add some sugar powder. And that's it. Try this amazing recipe and subscribe to my channel and give me a like, and thank you for watching.